Alright, here's what we got today. I run a Minn Kota Ultrex trolling motor, and the hold down pin is the original one is plastic, which this trolling motor I've had it on here for a couple of years. But anyway, the plastic pin, let me show you what I'm talking about. One side of it is broke. This is the pin that holds it down. You can see this side is broken. So what we're going to do is going to change that out. I've got an upgraded. They make a stainless one. Well, I think you can get one of these plastic ones for about 11, 12 bucks, or you can buy this replacement stainless one for $25 and be done with it. So anyway, that's what we're going to be changing out today. It's really a simple task. Let's see. Okay, what you do, you simply take a hammer, hit the pin there. Well, you'll just take your hammer when you make and push it out. Yeah, you can push it. It just slides out. There it is. And then, as you can see, the slots. So it'll go in like that with the slots up. Get it in place. And that baby is ready. And there's where they lock in at. So, all right, that's all it is to it.